Hey there, today we're going to look at how to add Grammarly extension to Chrome. So let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and type Grammarly in the search bar. Over here, click on the official Grammarly website. After that, click on I have an account and log in with your email. Then click the continue button. Over here, you'll be taken to the Grammarly document page. After that, go to the top navigation menu and click on the Apps tab. Then click on Grammarly for Chrome. Over here, click the install button. After that, you'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Then click Add to Chrome. Over here, confirm by clicking Add Extension. After that, click the extension icon at the top right of Chrome. Then find Grammarly and click the pin icon next to it. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next